Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel and thank you very much for watching everyone. Today's video is all about using low inside and low outside spin as we shoot in our spot shots. To help viewers visualize where I contact the cue ball, I will be using my Jim Rampy practice ball. And as you've seen here before on the Pool Student Channel, I'll be reducing my pockets down to a very narrow 3 1/8 inch. This first shot will be a cut shot to my right where I'll be using low left outside spin. One thing I'd like to point out here, when I'm shooting shots like this where I'm using outside spin, I will aim to undercut the shot slightly. The reason for this is because of the throw we put on the object ball based on the spin from the cue ball. This second shot is also to my right. However, I'll be using low inside right spin. Now let's take a look at my tip position on this low inside spin shot when I'm cutting the ball to the right. Notice here where the tip hits the cue ball. Now let's take a look at tip position when we use outside spin on the same shot. Something I'd like to point out here as well is notice the lines that I show where the cue ball is going to hit the ghost ball position plus the line going into the pocket for the object ball. When we use spin, both inside and outside, we're going to have to adjust our aim depending on speed because these shots are very speed sensitive, so I want you to be aware of that. Only you can experiment with these shots. So I would make this suggestion. I would recommend that you set up both the cue ball and the object ball in the same location and experiment with both speed and spin until you get a grasp of the physics of this shot. Now let's take a look at both of these must-have shots for our arsenal. Here we're using low inside spin. And now both right and left hand outside spin. And once again, I'd like to reiterate, it's entirely up to you as the player to master these shots. Set your cue ball and your object ball in the same location, then shoot the shot over and over again with both various speed and spin until you get a grasp of the physics of what's going on. From there, you'll learn your aim point and the speed in which you'll need to hit the shot. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching everyone, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.